Good morning or afternoon. It's actually, I think, 12:30 or so. I have been editing the entire morning and entire night. My Miss Universe reaction, you guys have already probably seen it. I'm sorry if you're new to my channel and you bumped into that video and we were super obnoxious, but it's a part of me. I love Miss Universe, so yeah. That being said though, I didn't vlog yesterday, which was Monday, today's Tuesday, because I was at jury duty the entire day. I told you guys a couple vlogs ago that I missed 2 jury duties, so they were going to fine me $1,000 if I didn't go to this one. And I was chosen for a case, which means I have to go to court whenever they call me. It's now up in the air, so I'm a little nervous because supposedly the case can last up to an entire week, and actually until December 23rd, which would really hinder Vlogmas. So fingers crossed that it's actually a short case and not a long one, because I don't want to miss on Vlogmas. I'm really enjoying this. But since I wasn't here yesterday on Monday, I am going to do everything I do on a Monday, although my mom is coming, so we're going to be eating, also having like a paint night or something together. I do have to clean, and I wanted to finally do right there my calendar for December, because I know it's already December 10th and I haven't even started on my calendar for December. But yeah, it's going to be quite the day. Hopefully I vlog it all, because cleaning and planning my month takes some time, so let's do it. Want to know a fun fact? I've actually haven't had any breakfast this morning, so let's make some coffee. By the way, I've gotten so many questions on this greca, and that just tells me you guys don't follow me on Instagram, because I've mentioned it and raved about it all throughout my Instagram stories. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. But this is from Marshall's, and I actually showed you guys the store, a different store that I saw it at as well, because I got my grandma one. And yeah, I think it's actually discontinued by now, but it's from Marshall's. So go and search, and hopefully you guys find one. All right, so before my mom gets here, I'm just gonna have some bread with butter, Baby Bell, coffee, and watch some Netflix. Well, that was quick. Look who's here!
Hi guys!
My mom came and she's cooking. Finally visiting me.
I come to cook today.
¿Qué te va a cocinar?
She missed my food.
Okay.
Voy a hacer un moro con pollo.
Alright, you guys, so my mom is making moro. Right here we have just onions, ajo. El ajo ¿cómo fue que lo hiciste?
Con orégano.
So, alright, so for the garlic or ajo, she basically just put a little bit of oregano and goya, adobo. I normally call this goya, even though obviously they have a lot more things. But now she put a sopita there, salsa roja, un poco de aceite, and then the beans. So she washed them and put them there. And now 2 cups of water, which is basically 2 cups of rice that we're going to add later. ¿Qué le falta?
My secret.
Oh my god, una pizcara de azúcar. She always adds like a little tiny bit of sugar. I don't know what difference that makes.
Nathalie, eso es un secreto de familia. ¿Tú no puedes decir eso?
Oh, Dios mío. You guys are getting the real deal here. Alright, so she's washing the rice. We use 2 cups of rice. ¿Tú no para que hierva?
Puede, pero no necesariamente. Creo que tiene mucha agua.
She almost forgot. Limón. And last but not least, damn, tú sí le pones eso, cilantro.
Eso no importa, se le
Last
saca.
but not least, cilantro. All right, so now onto the chicken. I'm going to show you guys how to make that on a separate video because it's technically already done. But yeah, we're gonna fry it. If by any chance you put more water than you have to, once it's boiling, you basically just remove a little bit so it could look like this, not too watery, and it should taste delish.
Echarlo que no esté muy caliente, así no salpica. Mucha gente no tapa el pollo porque dice que bota mucha agua, pero a mí me gusta taparlo porque así se cocina con su propio jugo y ya después no tengo que usar más agua. Ahí hierve, le bajo el fuego un poquito. Cuando se le seca el agua que bota y eso, entonces ya está blandito, está bueno para comer, no hay que echarle más agua ni nada de eso.
Here is the end result. We have some concón, tostones, salad. Oh, aguacate.
You know.
So many people were asking me about where's the aguacate. And look who came to visit.
I actually cooked everything myself.
Oh, you did?
She's gonna kill me if she hears that though.
No, pero esta es la cara que se te había quedado si no fuera por las dudas.
Y venga, volvamos ya que es muy tarde y es Navidad y hay que preparar.
Wow, I look rough. I told you guys today's gonna be a really lazy day. My mom left. It's been a couple hours. It's 5, I think, or almost 5. And all I've done is eat and watch TV, watch Netflix. I started watching a new show. Oh my god, I didn't know my PJs had pockets. We started watching a new show which only has 3 episodes. I'm on the last one, but I'll watch it like once I'm done with getting things done today. It's called 3 Days of Christmas, I think, or right? Yes, 3 Days of Christmas. So good. Highly recommend. It's kind of like drama, family drama. Not too much Christmas. I mean, it's like the time is Christmas time, but it's not a Christmas movie, if that makes any sense. It's more drama than anything, but highly recommend. I really like it. So right now I am going to do my calendar because I have to. All right, as you know, I do my dry eraser board every month. Alrighty, finally done putting it up. Anyways, I'm going to paint my nails because this is the first time in a really long time that I only have clear nail polish. I don't even think you could see it, but yep. I don't know what color to go for. Maybe this right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this one. Of course, my base coat, which is my favorite right here. I'm going to link it down for you guys. All right, so to paint my nails, this is technically what I use. I'm going to remove my nail polish. Then I go into applying this thing right here, which is a balm. Then I go ahead and use this. Cut my nails if I have to. I also like to file or buff it with this as well. And then first step would be base coat, which is this one, my favorite. It has made my nails so much stronger. Then I go in with the color. I normally apply 2 shades or 2 layers. Wow, not 2 shades. Honestly, my head is everywhere but here right now. And then for top coat, I'm going to be using this one right now because I can't find my actual top coat. But surprise, I am going to be doing the dishes because it's a hot mess here. So let's do it. All right, so I actually wanted to show you guys something that I do almost, or I try to almost every night, which is preset my coffee. So I just basically set it for tonight, and then in the morning I just have to turn it on. All right, and then now in the morning is going to be all ready. All right, I just finished taking a shower and changed into new PJs. I've been in PJs the entire day, but it's my happy time. So painted my nails to this beautiful like blue shade from Essie. I'll be linking it down below for you guys, or writing the name, but it has like a pearlescent effect, which I love. So like I mentioned, I wanted to do kind of like a nighttime routine. I don't have makeup on, so I feel like it defeats the purpose, because it would be better if I would have makeup on and show you guys how I remove my makeup. But I will be doing the same steps I do when I have makeup on, which is cleanser. I always remove my makeup with cleanser. You guys know this. This video is not sponsored, but I am working with Philosophy for the next couple of months. I mean, I only take partnerships that I genuinely love, and this one is one of them, and I'm so happy that so many of you guys also love them. So being said, I do remove my makeup with this. I basically just double cleanse, but today I'm just going to cleanse one time. And that's technically it. So onto brushing my teeth. This is super random. I don't even know if you guys would be interested in this, but this is the toothbrush I use. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend if you guys are looking for a gift to receive or even to give. It's the Go Smile toothbrush, and then my Sensodyne that I love so much because my teeth are sensitive. So let's brush our teeth. All right, now onto the rest of my skincare. I have been using these two and loving them from Paula's Choice. I've mentioned them before. This one in my monthly favorites. It's the Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. So it's just basically kind of like a toner, but not really. But it's supposed to also exfoliate at the same time, which is weird because I wouldn't necessarily think that it would, since it's just liquid. But what I do is I press like this. Oh God, I have a cut in my palm. Oh my God, this hurts. Just pat, pat, pat. And then I also kind of like massage my way through. And it really moisturizes your face. This also helps with texture. It has a bunch of benefits. And then after that, since my birthday is coming up, I'm getting a little older, I've been using anti-wrinkle stuff. This one is from the same line, which is the Resist line, and it's the Intense Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum. So I've heard retinol is good for you, and I've been including it. It's also really liquidy, as you can see, and this one leaves your face feeling and looking just like, oh wow. It resembles to me what a night mask feels like, which is really oily. So love that. So yeah, that's basically it. But I did want to mention two other ones that I've been also using and loving. It's from Philosophy, which is their moisturizer. I only use those two products at night. So this one I would technically use before applying my makeup, and the eye cream. But I always forget to apply, but I feel like this does the job, you know? It's already anti-wrinkle. Also going to use a lip balm to like extra hydrate. This one is from Clinique, which is so bomb. Wow, I applied way too much. Literally top 5 best lip balm. This one is the Moisture Search Lip Hydro Plump Treatment thing. It doesn't really plump. TBH. All right, so that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog all over the place. I hope it's not too short. I am going to go to bed now and get some rest. Tomorrow's going to be a long day and a really exciting one because I am working on a super exciting project with a brand that I love so much. So I can't wait to guys bring you along with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great night or day, and I'll see you mañana.